Hey creatives, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is safe and doing well. I'm coming to you today with simple DIYs that anyone can do. The first thing I have for this DIY is these two towels. Now these are from General Dollar. They say $1, but they're actually $2. So I picked up two of them. I have my shears, and I also have these picture frames. I ordered these frames from Amazon. They came in packs of 3. Was it packs of 3? Packs of 4. They came in packs of 4. So I have used 3 of these. I did some canvas art in those. And I used 3 of these, and I did some canvas art. And these I used 2. And now I want to use them today to create some more art with these towels. So if you want to see what I come up with, make sure you stay tuned in. But before I get started, I want to take a moment to tell everyone how my channel is doing. The channel is steadily growing, but I continue to need your help. So if you're out there watching and you're not a subscriber, which my analytics tell me that most of the people that watch my channel are not subscribers. So if you want to take a moment right now and hit that subscribe button, it doesn't cost you anything, and it's really, really simple. If you're on your phones, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're watching me on your TV, it's easy. Push that pause button, arrow up, and you'll see the icons. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I want to thank you all in advance for tuning in. Now let's go ahead and get started with this project for today. This is one I really don't have to talk on. It's really self-explanatory. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the plastic from these frames and get started. Actually, this one I've already opened, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up from the back side and measure to see how much of the towel I need to cut off. Now, I was gonna do something different with this one, but we're changing our mind. We're not gonna do that. So here we go with the towel. And this one, it comes, both of them are double-sided. And I'm gonna grab my glasses before I cut the towel. And I'm gonna turn my camera down so you can see me a little better. So I'm opening up, just wanna open them up. So this is the back side of this one, and this is the front side. Okay, and then on this one, let's open it up. Checkered and pumpkins. So what I want to do is take one whole one and cut it to fit on the inside of this one. Do I want that one? I think I want this one and the larger one. Let's do it this way. I think I want this. Yeah. I don't know. No, maybe this. Yeah, I'm gonna make this one. So let's go ahead and open up this one. up the corner of the plastic film to release it, and then I decided to use the paper as my bat or my border, so I'm cutting it out. I'm gonna do this off camera and I'll come back. And just like that, I've cut out my mat. I'm gonna add my cut out towel, make sure that it fits, and then I'll add it in the frame, place on the back, pull off the protective plastic covering on the front, and I have a picture. Now it's time to work on the two 11x14s. I'm trying to find my placement. Once I do, I cut my towel in half. The next thing I want to do is cut out my mat. Once my mat is cut out, I figure out where I want the placement on the mat, and then I cut it out. On this one, I just cut it along the seam. Once I cut it along the seam, I pull back my plastic, add my towel, and add my mat. Except I did it backwards the first time, so I started over and did it right. There we go. And voila, here's my picture. And for the final picture, you guys know me, I decided to do something a little bit different. I'm going to take my mat, I'm going to lay it down. I'm trying to find the least shiny side. And then instead of using the pumpkin side, I'm going to use the plaid side of the mat. I'm going to place it down, move it out of the way, but I took the rest of my towel and I cut out these pumpkin shapes. And I want to lay that down on the plexiglass, and then I'll pull the plaid towel over it and see what we get. Everything is looking so good. You have to see it in person. Let's get them on display. I really love how they turned out. But you guys, let me know what you think. Which side would you have used? I love how the pumpkins look on the plaid background. I think it's really, really ingenious. And since I was trying to bring fall to the area, I went ahead and added those orange candles. You guys know I'm using that burnt orange as my fall color theme. Let me know, what do you think? And this is what you'll see as you come up the stairs. Over here, I still want to do something on this wall, and I want to replace this small picture. Now, what I put on the major wall, I'm not sure if it will be a fall hanging, because whatever it is will definitely have to stay. So that's it for this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you'll know when I upload the next video. And as usual, thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.